hexagons will be cut using my X-Carve Pro CNC with the design made in Easel Pro. I input the material dimensions, bit type, cut settings, then grab a hexagon from the design library, scale that to 5 inches tall, then have it cut on the outside of the line, adjust the tabs, and then simply nest them together. 85 of them on each 4x4 sheet. So we got ourselves a lot of hexagons here, about 800 to be exact. So I ended up with 3 different sizes. There's 3/4 inch thick, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch thick. After I re-sawed plywood after cutting it on the CNC. Did that for a couple reasons. Saved on material because I only had to get 3/4 inch oak plywood. And I saved a ton of time because cutting these individually would have been 3 times the amount of CNC cut time. And with an hour of re-sawing, I was able to save all of that. So I am nowhere near finishing this project yet, but I'm going to start the finishing process now, because each of these different thicknesses of plywood is going to be a different tone of ManWax stain. Doing that after these are all mounted on the wall? No. Just no. No. So the wall's gonna fade from top to bottom, starting with a lighter color, ending with a darker color. I'm using ManWax's classic oil-based stains for all of these. For the lighter color, I picked silver gray. The medium color is gunstock, and the darkest color is dark walnut. Now this is the ManWax oil-based wood stain that you know and love, been around forever. But it's actually a new formulation, dries quick. It's only a 2-hour dry time, so that's gonna be handy for these 800 hexagons. That's a lot. Wait. Is that the last piece?
What?
No, don't lock me in here. Let me tell you a joke. If I make you laugh, you let me go.
Okay.
Okay, so what's green that has wheels?
I don't know.
It's grass. I lied about the wheels.
Stupid.
No. Hey, thanks for watching. Links in the description for all the sponsors of this build, but I specifically want to call out Minwax for their wood stains and polyurethane finishes. For this project, I used Minwax's classic oil-based stains that I picked up from my local Lowe's store. This stain provides a rich, penetrating color in a single coat and now dries in just 2 hours. I used these 3 colors for this project, but Minwax's oil-based stains are available in 36 different colors. Are you sure about that? Did we check that? Yeah, it says 36 right there. 36, all right. Right there. 36 different colors. Stupid joke. Stupid. Check out the links down below for all the Minwax stains that I used on this build, plus the fast-drying spray polyurethane, all available at your local Lowe's store. You may have noticed this wall from previous videos, the ugly wall in the CNC shop, and I left it alone when I renovated this garage specifically for a project just like this. Only took a year to get there. Things take a while around here. Wonder why. 800 hexagons. That's a lot. Actually, since you stuck around until the end of the video, I have a pretty clever trick up my sleeve that I saved just for my Jackman stands. That's right, every spot that is a screw has a removable hexagon, so I can access the screw. So that's why I first installed this 1/4 inch plywood and then attached the hexagons onto that. This way, if I ever want to take these off the wall, especially thinking forward to potential moves in the future, I can take these off in 5 big panels. I'm always a few steps ahead of you guys, never doubt me. Something else I wanted to mention to you, if you want to make hexagons like this and you don't have a CNC, get one, link down below. Second option, DIY Montreal channel, Marie has this awesome jig for cutting hexagons on the table saw. I'll also link that down below. I was gonna try to do something similar, but she did it way better than I ever would. More videos on the way this month, so keep an eye out for that. Follow along on social media for real-time updates on everything that's going on in my shop. All right, bye. What's the difference between a chickpea and a garbanzo bean? I never paid to have a garbanzo bean on my accent wall.